I strongly believe you are a great security leader or will be one soon. Do you believe in yourself? Here are some insights about Security Operations Center, SOC, jobs. A Security Operations Center, SOC, plays a crucial role in maintaining an organization's cybersecurity posture. It's the nerve center where skilled professionals monitor, detect, respond to, and mitigate cyber threats in real time. SOC jobs are at the forefront of cybersecurity defense, ensuring that digital environments remain secure and resilient. Roles within a SOC are diverse and encompass a range of responsibilities. Here are a few key positions you might find within a SOC. 1. Security Analyst. Security analysts are the frontline defenders. They monitor security alerts, analyze data, and investigate potential threats. Their keen eye and analytical skills are instrumental in identifying and containing security incidents. Before moving to incident responder, we would like to check with you if you are looking to skyrocket your career and committed for growth. Look no further. Subscribe to RateCISO now for top-notch courses delivered in concise, time-saving videos. Get ready to maximize your growth and utilize your potential to give real value to your family and this world. And if you want us to address any of your challenges, you may write in comments. Now let's move to 2. Incident responder. When a security breach occurs, incident responders are the ones who spring into action. They analyze the incident, determine the extent of the breach, and work on containing and mitigating the damage. 3. SOC Manager. SOC Manager oversees the entire operations center. They coordinate team efforts, manage budgets, make strategic decisions, and ensure that the SOC is aligned with the organization's security goals. 4. Threat Hunter. Threat hunters proactively seek out signs of hidden threats that may have bypassed initial security measures. They use advanced techniques to identify and neutralize potential risks before they escalate. 5. Security Engineer. Security engineers design and implement security measures to fortify an organization's defenses. They work on configuring security tools, developing protocols, and staying up to date with the latest security technologies. 6. SOC Architect. SOC architects design the overall structure of the Security Operations Center. They determine the tools, processes, and workflows that the SOC team will use to effectively monitor and respond to threats. Before going to next step, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming information security videos, which are posted on regular basis specially for you. Stay ahead of the curve and fortify your skills. Now move to 7. Security Operations Analyst. These analysts handle the day-to-day tasks of monitoring security alerts, investigating incidents, and providing initial assessments. They collaborate with other team members to maintain a strong security posture. 8. Threat Intelligence Analyst. Threat intelligence analysts gather and analyze information about emerging threats, vulnerabilities, and attack patterns. They help the SOC team anticipate potential risks and adjust their defense strategies accordingly. Working in a SOC requires a combination of technical skills, critical thinking, and the ability to work under pressure. It's a fast-paced environment where every second counts. SOC professionals often use a range of cybersecurity tools such as SIEM, security information and event management systems, intrusion detection systems, and threat intelligence platforms. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, SOC jobs remain in high demand. Organizations recognize the value of having a dedicated team that can swiftly respond to security incidents, protect sensitive data, and ensure business continuity. If you're passionate about cybersecurity, enjoy problem solving, and thrive in dynamic environments, a career in a security operations center might be the perfect fit for you. Join the ranks of cybersecurity defenders and make a lasting impact in the world of digital security. We're all ears. Leave a comment about the specific areas you're eager to explore. We're here to tailor your career journey for success. Expect quick responses to your queries. Join us today and embark on a journey of continuous growth with RateCISO. Subscribe now. Rest assured you will get amazing best mentor for you speak to you during your career journey. Looking forward for your comments and likes.